For homeowners in Knoxville, Tennessee, maintaining a comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home is a top priority. One of the most impactful home improvements you can make to achieve these goals is window replacement. Whether your current windows are old, drafty, or simply outdated in style, upgrading to new, modern windows offers a range of benefits that can improve your quality of life and increase your home's value. Here are the top benefits of window replacement for Knoxville homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Knoxville experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, with hot, humid summers and chilly winters. If your windows are outdated or poorly insulated, they can let in drafts and allow heat transfer, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. New windows designed with energy efficiency in mind can dramatically reduce heat loss and gain. Features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. By improving your home's insulation, window replacement lowers your energy costs and makes your living environment more comfortable year-round. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows come with Energy Star certification, ensuring that they meet or exceed strict energy-saving standards. Investing in these windows not only saves you money but also reduces your carbon footprint, making your home more environmentally friendly. Improved home comfort. Drafty windows or uneven temperatures near older windows can make your home feel uncomfortable. Cold spots in the winter and hot zones in the summer can be a constant nuisance for your family. By replacing your windows with new, properly sealed, and insulated models, you can eliminate drafts and enjoy a more consistent and pleasant indoor climate. In Knoxville's humid climate, new windows can also help reduce moisture buildup and prevent condensation on your glass, which often leads to mold growth and damage to window frames. Modern windows are designed to handle humidity better and help maintain healthy indoor air quality. Increased security. Older windows often have outdated or weak locking mechanisms, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. In addition, the glass in older windows may be thinner and easier to break. Window replacement allows you to upgrade to windows with advanced security features such as reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems. Impact-resistant or laminated glass adds an extra layer of protection by making it much harder for intruders to smash the window and gain entry. Multi-point locking systems secure the window at several points along the frame, increasing resistance to forced entry. By upgrading your windows, you enhance the safety and security of your Knoxville home and protect your loved ones. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are a key part of your home's exterior appearance and architectural style. Old or damaged windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and make it look dated or poorly maintained. Window replacement provides a fantastic opportunity to update your home's look and give it a fresh, modern appearance. Whether you prefer traditional double-hung windows, sleek casement windows, or large picture windows, there are many styles and finishes available to suit your home's unique design. Customizing the color, grid patterns, and frame materials allows you to create a cohesive and attractive look that boosts your home's visual appeal. Enhanced curb appeal not only makes your home more enjoyable to live in but also increases its marketability if you decide to sell in the future. First impressions matter, and new windows can make a lasting positive impact on potential buyers. Reduced maintenance and increased durability. Older windows, particularly those made of wood, require regular maintenance such as painting, sealing, and repairs to prevent rot, warping, or cracking. This can become time-consuming and costly over the years. Modern replacement windows are often made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which are designed to withstand Knoxville's weather conditions with minimal upkeep. These materials resist fading, moisture damage, and warping, allowing your windows to maintain their appearance and functionality with little effort. Choosing maintenance-free windows means you can spend less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying your home. Increased home value. If you're planning to sell your Knoxville home, window replacement is a smart investment that can boost its resale value. Buyers are attracted to homes with new, energy-efficient windows because they promise lower energy bills, better comfort, and reduced maintenance needs. New windows can also help your home sell faster by improving curb appeal and signaling that the property has been well cared for. According to real estate experts, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their investment in window replacement when selling their home. Conclusion: window replacement offers Knoxville homeowners a host of benefits, from enhanced energy efficiency and security to improved comfort, curb appeal, and home value. Upgrading your windows is a smart way to create a more beautiful, comfortable, and efficient living space while making a valuable investment in your property. Whether you want to lower your energy bills, increase your home's safety, or boost its marketability, new windows are a practical and rewarding home improvement choice. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, now is the perfect time to consider replacement to enjoy these benefits for years to come.